Here's a ladder, and let's make it a little bit longer. So we have 3 elements from here till there, that's the first element. Here till there, that's the second, and from here till there, that's the third. And the overlapping portion here is 1, 2, 3 horizontal bars. 3 bars are overlapped. And at the next step we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bars. You cannot push it higher. So let's reduce this from 4 overlapping steps into just 3. And this element should be removed, and another one from there. It's basically a plastic thing. Pull that out and insert it there into the next one. Here's a flathead screwdriver. Push it in and somehow... Now detach that part. Only this hook is around that one. Move it that way, and now you have much more space to that one. It looks like that. And now pull it out. It looks like that. I slightly damaged it, so don't put it there, but put it here to that stop sign. And that's 1, 2, 3 will be overlapped because here's the hook. So insert it there. The sides will hold that. Let's flip it upside down. So the cut off portion is down. And it's down here also, so it's good. We can push it in. Now remove the next one using the screwdriver and then pull it out. And we made the ladder longer. 1, 2, 3 are overlapping here, and 1, 2, 3 are overlapping there. So you cannot push the top portion even more higher because this plastic will bump into that one. We made the ladder longer with around 30 centimeters. The ladder should be used in this manner, with the extended portion which goes higher, with that one towards the wall. And thus you can use that red thing up there as a hook. You can attach something to it. Plus, when you come down, there is an additional ladder, this one, not just that one. So you will not be forced to step inside, but you will step more outside. So the extended portion must be towards the wall. It's not the end of the world if it's the other way around, but in this way it's easier to climb. If it's rotated, then it will be easier to fold it, because you don't have to lower the part which is behind you when you are standing on this side, but you can lower the one which is towards you. So this in that case would be towards you.